boys 100-yard freestyle. Casey Hazen will be in lane
Real
1.
quick update. Olivia Sims continues to hold off her little sister, just barely there, as they went 6th and 7th.
Joey Sadaka will be in lane 2 from Spruce Creek. Venice is going to have David Latimer in lane 3. Peyton Brunault will be in lane 4 from Edgewater. Sarasota is going to have Andy Watts in lane 5. David DeMarco will be in lane 6 from Apopka. Lake Highlands is going to have Harlan Basire in lane 7.
He doesn't. He goes to David Latimer from Venice with a 24-16 open there. Going
Wow.
quick to start.
And looks like David Latimer might have now eased back in, and I think he's going to be the new leader. But as soon as I say that, guess what? It's going to be lane 5. Andy Watts now making a charge.
It was too close to call from here between Latimer and Watts. Latimer and Watts to the wall. I think Latimer got it.
And it is. It's going to be Latimer touching first. Second is going to be Watts in lane 5. And third is going to be lane 4, Brunault, Peyton Brunault from Edgewater.
Brings us heat 2, A final event 14, boys 100-yard freestyle. In lane 1 is Haggerty's Alex Gatlin. Ori Tasman from Winter Park is in 2. Avery Warrington from Winter Park is in 3. Jason Coombs from Haggerty is in 4. Stein Funk from Olympia is in 5. Johnny Rivera from Spruce Creek is in 6. His teammate Donovan Ward is in 7. And Eric Kopak from Lake Brantley is in lane 8.
Right now it's Jason Coombs and Stein Funk in lanes 4 and 5.
.22 to open.
But also now making another charge is going to be Avery Warrington over in lane 3. Now
Yes,
is making a
coming up
hard
fast.
charge and passes now Stein Funk and making a charge now on Jason Coombs over in lane 4.
Coombs has got a big push here. You can hear Scott Coombs calling out the bark here in the background to get him pumped into the wall, which he will finish first.
Coombs is going to get first, but the question is who has second?
45-86 for Jason.
And second is going to be Warrington with a 46-61. 46-68 is going to be Stein.